Hi everyone, today I gonna show everybody how to unlock a Sony Ericsson Xperia x10a. Okay, and first one is you make sure you disable the antivirus, but I recommend everybody to just remove, make things easier, uninstall your antivirus when you want to do this. Okay, and check that your phone and drawer version is 2.1 and higher. Okay, and how to check it, just go to the setting about firmware version. Okay, now the two key points is how to install ADB driver and how to install SEMC flash driver. Okay, how to do that. So I will just demo how to do these two things. Okay, this is a very key point of want to unlock Sony Ericsson Xperia 10a. Okay, so this Xperia 10a. Okay, first one we need to power on. Okay, make the phone is power on. Okay, and then I would like to plug the phone to the USB cable to the phone. Okay, USB cable here. Okay, plug to here. Okay, and then right now plugged here. So you see this device is a USB device, but that we don't need this one. Okay, because we right now as I say I need to install this ADB driver. How? So for this we'll have to enable USB debugging. Okay, so let me set it up. Okay, the phone. So enable. Okay, then you will see the SEMC. Okay, this one. Okay, and then right now one very important thing to let everybody know. This is a key. Okay, and because of my system is Windows 7. Okay, Windows 7 and a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so that's very important. You have to know what operation you are in. Okay, so update a driver, browse your driver. So all driver in this folder. Okay, you have to download from the NCK box. Okay, NCK box they have download the whole bunch of things there. Okay, okay. So then browse it. Okay, so desktop, NCK box. Okay, driver and X10 driver, right? So this one is default driver, and from when you download from NCK, the download site. Okay, but this one doesn't work for 64-bit system. Okay, see. Windows was unable to install your system. Okay, so we close and one more time, and we choose ADB2. Okay, because ADB2 they have 64-bit this driver. Okay, that's what we need to have. So go here. Okay, and I will give you a download link for this one. Okay, and this and next. Go. There you go. We successful update your driver. Okay, you want to unlock this one is very important. Okay, the key. Okay, you couldn't install successfully ADB interface, then you won't be able to unlock your Android phone. Okay, key, that's a key. Okay, after we install this one, we have to shut the phone off. Okay, okay, the phone be shut off now. Make sure the phone should be shut it off totally. Okay, exactly not when you shut it off. Okay, so we have to press the back key, this key. Okay, this key here. press this key, keep press this key, and unplug USB cable. Okay, so now we get the SEMC USB flash. We need to install this one. Okay, so update, browse. So we go to X10a driver. Okay, X10a driver. We're going to install this one. Okay, just click here, and then say OK, and next. So Windows successful update your driver software. Okay, the both are the key to you have to install the two driver. Okay, so as I mentioned here, this both is the key. Okay, install the two driver. Okay, now we have to install NCK box. Okay, NCK box is here. You have to download anyway. Download from this side, download side. Okay, and I already downloaded the NCK box setup 24, and we have to uninstall this antivirus. Okay, so antivirus here, so I have to uninstall. Okay, control panel. Hi, hello. And now we coming back after we uninstall the antivirus and shut it down, restart it. Okay, so we coming back. We want to install NCK box to our system. So we can install the driver here. Okay, now it's version 2.9. Okay. We install this one. We have to remove the antivirus. Okay, because this one will conflict with antivirus. Okay, so now we plug the box into the computer. Okay. Okay, so the already plugged into the computer. Okay, so now the system looking for the driver. Okay, the two driver need to install. Okay, so okay, because I still scanning. Okay, so we update and browse. So we need to install this one. Okay, port and the help disk. We browse it. Okay, so going to desktop. NCK box new driver, NCK box driver. So NCK, because my system is 64, right? So I choose this one. So okay, and USB serial driver, and install it. Okay, successful. Okay, and update system. So one is done. Now next one. Okay, browse it. Let me choose. Okay, choose smart card, and choose this one. Okay, so Okay, perfect. We already installed a driver for the NCK box. So now we have to set up here. We run this program always as administrator. Okay. Then run. Okay, so we want to unlock a Sony Ericsson. The model is X10a. First one, we need to get the information. So we make sure the phone is totally shut it off. Then we press the brake key. Okay, press the brake key. This one. Okay, and insert a USB driver and try to get information. Okay, so now we get the information now. So it means phone is good. Okay, now we want to turn the phone power on. Okay, power on, the power button on. Sorry, it's not like this. So we have to go over again. Then we want to unlock phone. So make sure this one running as the administrator model. Okay, make sure antivirus is disabled. Make sure your current model is selected. Okay, selected, and yes. Okay, we have to say 2.3 Android version is choose. Okay, so we repeat one more time. So make sure that the phone is totally off. Okay. Yeah, follow the instruction there. Unlock procedure started and the power of the phone key back. Yeah, press this one and make sure the phone is off. And we press a USB cable. Yeah, just follow the instruction. Okay, remove the cable and power on. Press the power button. Okay, make sure antivirus. So now we're waiting. Okay, the phone is totally on. Okay. Okay, we're keeping waiting. Phone is turning on now. Okay, now phone is totally turning on. We plug the USB cable into the phone and don't touch anymore. So the phone is find it, waiting root, can waiting 1 minute. If start more than 1 minute, we connect the USB cable. Just follow it. Okay, we just wait. Okay, so root okay and unlock started changing made. Okay, so good. So the phone right now has been unlocked already. Okay, perfect. So waiting phone and power on the phone will be unlocked. Okay, so this all the demo. Okay, how to install the ADB. Okay, install ADB driver, install this flash driver, and install the NCK box to the system, and how to unlock a Sony Ericsson X10a. Okay, just all a demo. Thank you everybody for the watching. Okay, thank you. Bye.